हेलो गाइस। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब ठीक होंगे। और ज़्यादा ना डिले करते हुए लेट्स स्टार्ट द शो। बेसिकली इस पार्ट को मैंने 4 पार्ट्स पे डिवाइड किया है। बेसिकली चारों पार्ट पे अलग अलग टॉपिक्स है और इस बार कुछ अलग किया है इंग्लिश में। देखते हैं कैसा जाता है। चालू करते हैं।
भैया
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल। गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल। गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा।
I've seen lot of people, even me also, not to concentrate on a particular work. Do you know what is the main reason? The brain does not find any pleasure on a particular work. So the brain start thinking other kind of stuff like the brain doesn't release or trigger the dopamine, which is the most common factor in the stable of a mind. How can you control your mind? If you need to control or stable your mind, first you need to find a reason why are you working with that kind of it gives you a joy or fun or any kind of emotion. You have to control your mind. How? By finding a particular reason so that it can trigger a dopamine or you can interest in that kind of work. I'm playing just a small clip that was made by me, original audio, but I have given a animation.
Need to be strong of my own, no matter what happens. I have to strong because I know that I'm still weak. I'm not judging myself. What is the conclusion in this battle? Every day I have to fight because it's a death game. If your goal is high, then you have to suffer through scars. Many movements came in your life. They are just your past because every present give you a chance for battle. Now go. Failure. Oh, it's nothing. It's just a notification that you surpassed your own will. I have never stepped back off my own foot. No matter what, keep going, keep fighting. One day, you know that you surpass your